The shower is running. The first part is that that part becomes full, and then very soon here it will come bubbling up. Let's wait for a second.